Hi everyone, this is Jian Chen from LEDSOLUTION. I would like to introduce our Pro95 products. Now, this is an LED poster, and we configure the AI system inside the controller. You can talk to him, and with an interactive experience for it. And also, this LED poster, it is a foldable. You see, this foldable can be folded like this way to be with a smaller size, and we can fit it to a flight case with more easy to move from one place to another. And the Pro95 series is also our HD series for LED video wall for a meeting room. It has different pixel pitch to choose. For more information, please visit our website www.iledsolution.com. Thank you very much.